Hi there, got an old audio CD and want to play it on your phone or PC? Let's convert CDA tracks to MP3 using Windows Media Player. When you insert the CD into the CD drive, multiple CDA files appear, with a size of just 1 kilobyte. Open Windows Media Player Classic. Expand RIP setting. Choose your audio format. Set the audio quality. You can also select RIP CD automatically and eject CD after ripping. Click More Options to change the file name and destination. Select all or individual files. Finally, click RIP CD. The ripping process will take a few moments. A message appears once ripping is complete. Open the destination folder to see your MP3 files.